It is time for some action. Welcome back to a new video, and today's video it's time for some action. I found this game controller from the local store, The Action, and this one is compatible with PlayStation 3 and Windows 7, 8 and 10. And it's very interesting. It's got vibration, a very long USB cable, turbo button, plug and play, and the box says automatic driver installation. No additional software needed. Ooh, sounds very interesting. We're going to test that one out. And not to forget, it comes in a very nice, pretty box. So, let's unbox it and let's see what we're going to get. And this is what we're going to find within the box. It comes with just a basic manual, nothing very special. And the controller itself. Alright, it feels quite heavy. The analog stick feels very nice. The buttons have a very nice response to it. D-pad is a little bit different like the original one. Turbo button, you can clear the turbo button function. The home button, here the indicator LED where you can see what kind of player you are. And this is what it makes very interesting. Here at the back we got the triggers. You can see it on the camera. That the PlayStation 4 have. So they did some little changes. And at the back we got some little bit of curves, so it gives an extra grip when playing with the controller. Well, very good quality cable and very long indeed. So let's do some gameplay and let's see how it responds. Alright people, the first game we are going to test out is Mortal Kombat, because fighting games you really need a good button response for the combo systems. So let's see if I can do any combos. And the first thing that I'm noticing with this controller, it responds very well. It plays amazing.
Round one.
Alright, let's do a little bit of training mode. And what is very important, if it has a good D-pad, that the moves come out instantly. Even the analog stick works just great. So yeah people, for the final conclusion about the game controller of The Action. Yeah, normally I never buy wired controllers, but I was really curious what are we going to get for the money. And I must say I am very happy with it. Very simple, due of the grip. This is really nice, very comfortable when playing the games. The D-pad is very responsive, very nice. But there's one thing I really love to know, and I am not a FIFA and I'm not a Call of Duty player. And I have heard that it's very important that the analog sticks work just perfect. I noticed with fighting games the response of the sticks are just great. Are you a Call of Duty or a FIFA player? If you're at The Action, pick one up, play with it and let me know what you think of it. Because I'm very curious if it is playable or usable for FIFA. Because a lot of FIFA and Call of Duty players got the problem with imitation controllers that it doesn't work properly for the shooters. So I cannot test it out because I'm not a pro player of both of these games. So overall I am very pleased with it, and yeah, it's maybe not wireless, but sometimes a wired controller is very convenient due of the batteries that are inside. And yeah, most of the time when I grab a controller they're empty, so I need to find my charge cable, first charge it, and then I'm still hooked to the PlayStation 3 with a cable. So yeah people, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome wicked and action videos. And see you in my next video again. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. I want to thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more action videos.